Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen Software Solutions. So today we are going to check on how to improve the speed of a computer by boosting the RAM, because the computer has the virtual RAM as well as the physical RAM. So we want to deal with the virtual RAM. Most of the computers nowadays have a RAM of 4 or 8 GB or 16 GB, sometimes 32 GB. But then let's check on how we are going to boost our virtual RAM. First of all, we need to do some calculation here. So let me go to search. Let's search the notepad. Here it is, the notepad. And under the notepad, there are some calculation we want to do. We normally have initial RAM and the maximum RAM. So this, let me change this one to be maximum. Maximum RAM. Now, under initial RAM is the normal RAM that you have. We calculate it virtually under that calculation. We take the RAM, we multiply by 1024, multiply by 1.5. So I'm going just to make some calculation for various RAMs. For those of you who have 4 GB, this is what you're going to do. For 4 GB, so the initial is going to be, let's calculate. Let me just check my calculator. So we do 1024. So I'm assuming someone has 4 GB, 4 multiplied by 1024. 4 multiplied by 1024. And then we multiply by 1.5. So that is the amount. So the initial one here is 6,144. 6,144. So for maximum that we are going to use, for maximum RAM, we're going to have, let's calculate it again. So this one is still 4. This is 4. 4 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 3. So anyone who is using a RAM of 4 GB, the maximum RAM that we can have is 12,288. 12,288. Now, let's check for the next category. What if someone is using 8 GB? What if someone is using a physical RAM of 8 GB? So 8 GB. So we're going to calculate. So some calculations are going to take place here. So initial for 8 GB, which makes it the maximum for 4 GB. Makes it the maximum for 4 GB, which is 12,288. 12,288. And then the maximum for the same 8 GB is 24,576. 24,576. So that is the maximum space that we're going to use. So which literally means we just take 8 GB, we multiply by 3, or so on. So now let's go to the system. Now come here and put it on the system. Search about your PC here and check your RAM. So for my system here, my RAM is 8 GB. My RAM is 8 GB. Therefore, we're going to advanced setting here. So we are going to use the 24,000 one. So we go to advanced setting, we click setting here, and then we are going to check under advanced here. And then we want to change the virtual memory. We want to change the virtual memory. So it's automatically paged here. So we have to uncheck this automatic. And then our system has a specific RAM that we are going to use. So we want to choose custom. And then here we want to put the initial size, that is the size of the computer. The initial one for 8 GB, we found it's 12,288. So we are going to put here 12,288. And for final, or the maximum one, we check at the calculation for 8 GB, 24,576. 24,576. So 24,576. That is good. Now from there, we now set it. After setting it, we click OK. Now we're also going to click OK again. Now, you see, we've made every changes that we need, because if you go to setting, we've made the changes that we want under advanced setting. So we are changing from the RAM of, it was 5,000 and something. So we changed, you can see, from 12 to 24. So now we're coming to OK. And then we click OK. We've already applied it, so we click OK. After that, the remaining thing is to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you're going to find your system being very fast and very efficient. Thank you very much. And of course, if you're new, you can subscribe. See you in our next video.